Number 1. The 1929 Studebaker Commander. Priced at $26,000, this classic has been transformed into a bold and aggressive rat rod that perfectly blends vintage style with modern performance. According to the listing, this 1929 Studebaker is powered by a small block V8 engine featuring aluminum heads, a tunnel ram intake, and a dual carburetor setup, topped off with a large, aggressive scoop that instantly grabs attention. The engine is equipped with a mild cam, providing a strong yet street-friendly power band, and it is paired with a TH350 automatic transmission. The seller notes that both the engine and transmission have approximately 5,000 miles of use. This Studebaker is fitted with air ride suspension on both the front and rear, allowing the ride height to be adjusted for cruising or for show. LED lighting throughout adds a modern touch while improving visibility. The car is reported to run and drive very well, making it more than just a showpiece. Importantly, it comes with a clean title, giving peace of mind to the next owner. The asking price remains $26,000, which reflects the quality of the build and the attention to detail. This rat rod Studebaker is located in Ridgeland, South Carolina. For enthusiasts looking for a unique, head-turning classic with serious attitude and street-ready performance, this 1929 Studebaker Commander stands out as a memorable and unmistakable machine. Number 2. The 1931 Ford 3-window coupe. Listed at $29,000, this classic hot rod combines timeless design with carefully selected performance upgrades. According to the listing, this 1931 Ford is powered by a 350 small block V8, paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, delivering reliable and smooth performance. The car is equipped with MSD ignition, a camshaft upgrade, Patriot exhaust headers, and new QA1 shocks, all contributing to improved power, handling, and ride quality. A steering box upgrade and power brakes further enhance drivability and control. The seller notes that the vehicle has been driven approximately 15,000 miles, indicating that it has been properly sorted and enjoyed on the road. Inside, the car features red leather upholstery imported from Italy, adding a premium and distinctive touch to the cabin. On the outside, the coupe wears a striking red and black color scheme that perfectly suits its aggressive stance. The car is described as running well and comes with a clean title in hand, offering peace of mind for the next owner. The asking price remains $29,000, reflecting the quality of the build and the attention to detail throughout. This 1931 Ford 3-window coupe is located in New Orleans, Louisiana. For enthusiasts seeking a classic American hot rod with tasteful upgrades, strong performance, and standout style, this coupe represents a compelling opportunity. Number 3. The 1949 Chevrolet pickup. Offered at $25,000, this truck is described as a brand new build that blends classic pickup styling with modern performance and reliability. According to the listing, this 1949 Chevrolet is powered by an LT1 350 V8 engine, equipped with a tunnel ram intake and MSD ignition, giving it a bold presence and strong power delivery. Cooling is handled by an aluminum radiator, supported by an electric fan and overflow tank, ensuring consistent temperatures even during extended drives. Power is delivered through a 700R automatic transmission to a 3.73 Posey rear end, providing a balance of acceleration and highway cruising capability. The truck is also fitted with power steering, power brakes, and a tilt steering wheel, making it comfortable and easy to drive despite its aggressive appearance. Underneath, the chassis is built on a 1997 Chevrolet S10 frame, adding modern suspension geometry and improved handling. Fuel is supplied by a unique 15-gallon beer keg-style fuel cell, reinforcing the custom hot rod character of the build. The seller notes that the truck has been driven approximately 300 miles since completion and runs and drives as good as it looks, suggesting the build has been properly sorted and road-tested. Visually, the truck is finished in a striking turquoise exterior, paired with a brown interior, creating a classic yet eye-catching color combination. The vehicle comes with a clean title and is located in Princeton, West Virginia. For enthusiasts looking for a freshly built classic pickup with modern drivability and standout style, this 1949 Chevrolet is a strong and appealing option.
Number 4. The 1928 Graham-Paige 610 style coach, offered at $27,500 Canadian dollars, and located in Wellington County, Ontario, Canada. Next on the list is a truly distinctive pre-war classic that blends rare vintage styling with modern V8 performance. This 1928 Graham-Paige 610 style coach stands apart from more common hot rods and restorations, offering a unique presence that immediately captures attention. Under the hood sits a fresh Chevrolet 383 cubic inch V8, delivering strong torque and modern drivability while maintaining a traditional hot rod character. The engine is paired with a 700R4 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive, making this car far more usable at highway speeds compared to many older builds. Gear changes are handled through a B&M racing shifter, adding a purposeful performance feel to the driving experience. The chassis has been updated with a newer frame and recently refreshed suspension, contributing to improved ride quality, stability, and overall confidence behind the wheel. Cooling is handled by a new aluminum 3-core radiator, ensuring the powerful small block stays cool even during longer drives or warm weather cruising. Visually, the Graham-Paige retains its classic coach body proportions, offering a silhouette that is both elegant and uncommon. The seller notes that the car could benefit from some minor paint touch-ups and wiring cleanup, making this an excellent candidate for an enthusiast who enjoys light finishing work rather than a full restoration project. Beyond the mechanical details, this car carries genuine sentimental value. It was the pride and joy of the seller's father-in-law, and is now being offered for sale on behalf of the family following his passing. That history adds an emotional layer to an already special vehicle, and it's clear this car was owned with passion and care. Overall, this 1928 Graham-Paige 610 style coach represents a rare opportunity to own something truly different, combining pre-war elegance, modern V8 performance, and a meaningful backstory. Offered at $27,500 Canadian dollars in Wellington County, Ontario, it's ideal for serious enthusiasts looking for a distinctive classic that stands out at shows and cruises alike.
Number 5. 1931 Chevrolet Hot Rod priced at $25,000. This all-steel 1931 Chevrolet is a true traditional hot rod with modern street-ready upgrades. Located in Moncks Corner, South Carolina, this car is offered at $25,000 or best offer, making it an attractive opportunity for hot rod enthusiasts. As listed. This Chevy features an all-steel body with a chop top and suicide doors, giving it a bold, aggressive profile while staying true to classic hot rod styling. Under the hood sits a newly rebuilt 350 cubic inch V8, with less than 500 miles since the rebuild, delivering strong, reliable performance. Power is sent through a turbo 350 automatic transmission, backed by a rugged Ford 9-inch rear end, a proven drivetrain combination known for durability and smooth street performance. The car is also equipped with 4-wheel disc brakes, providing confident stopping power to match its acceleration. Built on a custom frame, this hot rod is designed for real-world driving and is fully street legal. It's configured as a 2-seater, keeping the build lightweight and focused, and includes a built-in custom fuel cell for safety and efficiency. The exterior is finished in a matte army green paint, giving the car a tough, purposeful look. According to the seller, the body is rust-free, and the sale includes 2 sets of rear wheels and tires, adding flexibility for street cruising or show presentation. With a clean title, strong mechanicals, and classic hot rod appeal, this 1931 Chevrolet Hot Rod is ready to be driven and enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more classic builds and hot rod highlights.
Number 6. 1934 Ford 3-window coupe SBC 350/automatic. Price, $30,000, slightly negotiable. Location, Sussex, New Jersey. This 1934 Ford 3-window coupe is a classic hot rod with timeless looks and strong street appeal. Finished in black with a red interior, it features a fresh paint job on a fiberglass body, giving it a clean, sharp presentation that turns heads wherever it goes. The iconic 3-window body style is one of the most desirable early Ford coupes, making this car especially attractive to collectors and hot rod enthusiasts. Power comes from a Chevy 350 small block paired with a TH350 automatic transmission, a proven and reliable drivetrain combination known for easy cruising and straightforward maintenance. With approximately 31,000 miles shown, the car runs and drives great and is fully paid off. This is not a project, it's a ready-to-enjoy street rod that offers classic 1930s styling with dependable modern performance. Whether used for cruises, shows, or casual weekend drives, this 1934 delivers strong visual presence, solid drivability, and enduring hot rod appeal at a price that reflects its condition and desirability.
Number 7. The 1930 Ford Coupe Hot Rod, priced at $29,500 and located in Northampton, Pennsylvania. This 1930 Ford Coupe Street Rod is a beautifully finished and well-maintained build that blends classic Model A styling with modern street rod convenience. With only 2 owners since its build, The car has clearly been cared for and preserved in excellent condition, making it an attractive turnkey option for enthusiasts who want to enjoy a classic without taking on a project. Power comes from a Chevrolet drivetrain, a highly popular and reliable combination in the hot rod world. This setup offers strong performance along with excellent parts availability and straightforward maintenance, making the car as practical as it is fun to drive. Modern features have been tastefully integrated, including push-button start, power windows, and remote entry, adding everyday convenience while still preserving the traditional 1930s hot rod aesthetic. The exterior presents clean and professionally finished, and the stance gives the coupe a proper street rod presence that commands attention wherever it goes. As the seller notes, it's an eye-catcher, and that's exactly what this car delivers. Described as show-ready and turnkey, this coupe is ideal for cruising, cars and coffee events, and local shows. The seller reports no known issues, and the car needs nothing beyond a new owner ready to enjoy it. No trades are being considered, and serious inquiries only for anyone seeking a finished, ready-to-drive steel-body street rod without the cost, time, and uncertainty of building one from scratch. This 1930 Ford Coupe represents an excellent value at $29,500.
Number 8. 1939 Chevrolet Coupe SBC 350/TH350. Condition. Project with title. Price. $8,500. OBO. Location. Charleston, West Virginia. This 1939 Chevrolet Coupe represents a strong project opportunity with valuable components and a clear title. Originally built as a show car, this coupe previously won multiple trophies before being involved in a front-end collision on the driver's side. As disclosed by the seller, the frame is buckled, with photos provided, and should be considered the primary repair factor for any prospective buyer. The car is powered by a 350 small block Chevy paired with a TH350 automatic transmission, a dependable and widely supported drivetrain. It also features a 1978 Monte Carlo front suspension, a common and practical upgrade for improved ride quality and parts availability in street rod builds. Despite the damage, the car retains many hard-to-find and desirable parts, making it a solid candidate for a frame repair, chassis swap, or donor build. With its classic 39 Chevy Coupe body style, clear title, and strong mechanical components, this car offers real value for an experienced builder looking to save a vintage coupe or repurpose quality parts into another project. Number 9. The 1941 Willys Coupe, priced at $75,500. This 1941 Willys Coupe is a well-maintained classic hot rod, featuring an outlaw fiberglass body mounted on a fully boxed frame. Power comes from a high-performance Smeating 540 BBC engine, complete with a tunnel ram 2x4 intake and dual 650 CFM carburetors, delivering an impressive 707 horsepower and 720 pound-feet of torque. The drivetrain includes a TH400 transmission with a 3800 stall converter, paired with a Ford 9-inch rear end using a 3.55 gear ratio, ensuring strong and reliable performance. Inside, the interior offers modern comforts such as power windows, leather seats, and an overhead stereo console. The engine is less than 3 years old and includes an unlimited mileage warranty. Overall, the car is in excellent condition, with all documentation included. Please note, the vintage air conditioning system is not functional. This vehicle is offered for sale only, no trades accepted. Number 10. The 1940 Ford Coupe, priced at $34,500. This classic car comes fully equipped for comfort and performance, offering a balanced blend of vintage style and modern convenience. It features power disc and drum brakes, power rack and pinion steering, and a power-adjustable driver's seat. The front suspension uses an independent front suspension setup, or IFS, complete with a front sway bar, while the rear is supported by traditional leaf springs. Additional conveniences include remote entry, 2-speed windshield wipers, and a tilt steering column. For entertainment, a 12-disc CD player is included. Under the hood sits a tuned-port fuel-injected 350 engine, paired with a TH350 transmission and an 8-inch Ford rear axle, delivering dependable power. The body is constructed using P&J fiberglass, mounted on a sturdy aftermarket steel frame. Hot heat and cold air conditioning keep the cabin comfortable in all conditions. This vehicle is ready for sale. Make your offer now. Number 11. The the 1939 LaSalle Series 50 Coupe, priced at $34,500. The 1939 LaSalle Series 50 Coupe is a classic automobile featuring distinctive Art Deco design, characterized by a long hood, a vertical grille, and elegantly sculpted fenders. It rides on GM's Series 50 chassis, and is powered by a 5.3-liter Cadillac V8 engine, paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. This drivetrain delivers smooth and dependable performance, appropriate for a luxury-oriented classic of its era. Inside, the spacious and refined interior offers comfort and sophisticated instrumentation for the driver, reflecting LaSalle's upscale heritage. With limited production numbers and the LaSalle brand discontinued in 1940, this model is considered rare and highly collectible. This particular example is in excellent condition, showing only 16,522 miles, and is fully ready to drive and enjoy. Number 12. 1932 Ford D's 5-window coupe, all-steel dirt track tribute, price, $35000. Location, Paw Paw, West Virginia. This is a real Henry Ford steel 1932 D's 5-window coupe, built as a period-style dirt track tribute honoring Herb Scott. Finished in gray with a black interior, the car carries authentic race-inspired character rather than over-restored flash, making it especially appealing to traditional hot rod and early racing enthusiasts. Power comes from a flathead V8 paired with a manual transmission. The engine runs and the car has been driven, though the seller notes the block is believed to be cracked, an important consideration for buyers. Out back is a desirable quick-change rear end complemented by Willwood brakes, giving the car both vintage credibility and functional stopping power. With approximately 20,000 miles, very little rust, and a clean title, this coupe is far from a basket case. It's not perfect, but it's honest and original. Leave it as a raw tribute car, rebuild the flathead, or transform it into a street rod. The foundation is undeniably solid. Trades are limited to a nice 1957 or 1964 Ford Fairlane, reinforcing the car's collector-level positioning.